Hello and welcome to iWon Business Presentation. iWon stands for Infinite Wellness Opportunity Network. This is our board of directors. Number one, this is Vice Dennis Villarosa, which is the VP for Training and Online Marketing. Next, we have Anthony Gatchalian, which is the VP for Sales and Marketing. Next, we have Chairman Charles Langurayan, which is the Chairman of the Board. These three people have been in this business for about 10 to 14 years. So we are very much experienced when it comes to this kind of business. Next, we have our president, President Richard Tamayo. He's a pastor and a life coach by profession. This is our office. This is the lobby, the purchasing, our seminar room 2, and seminar room 1. This is our online facility. Our office is located at Ortigas, which is one of the business location in the Philippines. This is our product. We have the beverages. Number one, we have the Choco Loco or our chocolate drink. We have the Cafe Plus or our coffee. Next, we have the health juice, the Guyabana juice. Next, we have the slimming juice or Four Seasons. And next, we have the whitening juice or the melon burst. And now, this is our beauty soaps. We have Citron, which has citrus extract. Next, we have Luminosity, which has collagen and kojic acid. Next, we have Raven with activated carbon. And lastly, we have Serenity with argan oil and popping. Next, we have Perla for a personal lifestyle assistant. It is more popular as Libmos when you go to your Google Play Store or your iOS. It is a healthy app that you could install in your mobile or in tablet, or you could use it in your PC. It's like having a dietitian or a nurse that you could carry every day, which will remind you of what to eat, drink, or do to help you maintain your healthy lifestyle. This was conceptualized and created by Dr. Blessy Barona, which is also the author of the book Healing Wonders of Diet. This is a few of the many people who were able to use Perla, people who get their blood works normal, people who get rid of their vices, and people who were able to lower their cholesterol and triglycerides in a matter of 1 month. And the good part is, it is backed up with pre-test and post-test laboratories that will prove that these people were able to reverse diabetes and hypertension in a matter of 1 month without drinking medicine and food supplements, merely following the program that Perla has. So if you're looking for an alternative, then try Perla now. So how to become a dealer in iWon? Number one, you must be at least 18 years old. Find an iWon dealer as sponsor. Fill up a dealer application form. And lastly, you should purchase a product set. These are the product sets. Silver, which costs $207 with 600 point value. You could earn a maximum of $200 for 1 day or $5,200 for 1 month. Or you could buy the gold package, which costs $620 with 1/8 point value and a maximum of $300 per day or $7,800 per month. Or you could buy the platinum package, which costs $1,446 with 4,200 point value and a maximum income of $400 per day or 10,400 per month. These are the 7 ways to earn. Number 1, through retailing. Number 2, through direct referral commission. 3, indirect referral commission. Number 4, the match sales bonus or the pairing bonus. Number 5 is the direct referral upgrade commission. 6 is the leadership bonus. And number 7 for the uni-level bonus. Now let's talk about retailing. You will get 25% lifetime discount on all the products that you buy. How the system works. If this is you, when you join the business, you will have your A and B or your left and right. Everyone who joins the business will have their own set of A and B or left and right. Now let's talk about the directly sponsored or first level people. Every people that you sponsor directly, even when it's spelled under, is called your directly sponsored people. Your indirectly sponsored people or second level were people who were invited or sponsored by your directly sponsored people. Now let's talk about the direct referral commission. Direct referral commission differs per package. When you invite someone who joins at silver, then you will earn $16.5. When you invite someone who joins at gold, then you will earn $50. When you invite someone who joins at platinum, then you will earn $116.5. If this is you, when you invite someone who joins at silver, then you get $16.5. And when you invite someone who joins at gold, then you will earn $50. And even if it's filled under, if it joins with platinum, then you will earn $116.5. Now let's talk about people who buys multiple accounts. When someone buys multiple accounts, all direct referral will be yours. So if he buys his first head, you will earn $116.5. Every time he adds a new head, you will earn $116.5. So all in all, if he buys 7 heads, you earn a total of $815.5. Now let's talk about the indirect referral commission. This is you, and this is your direct. Your first level was the person who was invited by your direct referral. Your second level was invited by your first level, and your third level was the person that was invited by your second level. Indirect referral commission depends on the package that you buy. For example, if you bought silver, you will earn 5% on the first level, but you will not earn anything on the second and the third level. But if you buy gold package, you will earn 8% on the first level and 5% on the second level. But on the third level, you won't earn anything. But if you buy the platinum package, you will earn 12% on the first level, 8% on the second level, and 5% on the third level. That's why platinum is the best package because you will earn up to the third level with indirect referral commission. What if you buy the silver package? On your first level, if it buys the platinum package, you will earn 5% on the direct referral commission that's equivalent to $5.8. So your total earning is $5.8. You won't earn anything on the second level and on the third level. What if you buy gold? On the first level, you will earn 8%, that's equivalent to $9.3, and on your second level, you earn 5%, and that's an additional of $5.8. So you earn a total of $15. Again, on your third level, you won't earn anything. But if you bought the platinum package, you will earn 12% on the first level, that's equivalent to $14, another 8% on the second level, that's $9.3, and an additional of 5% on the third level, that's $5.8. So it's a total of $29. So that's the reason platinum package is the best because you will continue to earn up to the third level with indirect referral commission. Now let's talk about the match sales bonus, or commonly called pairing bonus. If this is you and you sponsored someone on the left and on the right, that's a pair, or any kind of this scenario. If this scenario, still that's a pair, or this scenario, it's still a pair, or this scenario, it's still a pair. Let's draw an imaginary line on the center of the first head. So which means everyone you sponsored on the left and on the right is called a pair, up to infinity. What you invite someone on the left who joins silver, and you invite someone on the right who joins silver as well. So you will earn $25. What if you invite gold on the left and gold on the right? So you will earn $75. What if you invite platinum on the left and platinum on the right? So you will earn $150. What if someone joins silver on the left and platinum on the right? Or someone joins silver on the left and gold on the right? Or someone joins gold on the left and platinum on the right? How will this pair? This is where the use of point value comes in. Remember that every package that we buy has a corresponding points. If we buy silver, that's 600 point value. If we buy gold, that's 1,800 point value. And if we buy platinum, that's 4,200 point value. Remember that every 600 point value is equivalent to $25. So if this is the scenario, if someone joins 600 PB or silver on the left, and someone joins 4,200 point value or platinum on the right, the 600 point value will pair on the 600 point value on the right. So you will earn $25. Again, you have a weighting of 3,600 point value on the right. And if you sponsor a gold package on the left that's 1,800 point value. 1,800 point value on the right will pair on the 1,800 point value on the left. So you will earn $75. Again, you have a weighting of 1,800 point value on the right. So again, if another gold package entered the left side, that 1,800 point value on the right will pair on the 1,800 point value on the left. You will earn an additional of $75. And you have 0 point value on the right and 0 point value on the left. And then, the cycle continues. Now, let's talk about the direct referral upgrade. If this is you and you were able to invite someone who joins a silver pack, you will earn $16.5. But when this one upgrades on the gold pack, you will earn an additional of $50. And again, when this guy upgrades to the platinum pack, you will earn an additional of $116.5, which means every time you invite someone who upgrades on a higher package, you will earn another direct referral commission on this upgrade. Now let's talk about the leadership cluster bonus. If this is you and this is your direct, the first level is the person that was invited by your direct referral. The same with the second and the third. The third was the person that was invited by the second level. Leadership cluster bonus depends on the package that you buy. So if you buy the silver package, you will earn 5% on the first level. On the second and on the third, you won't earn anything. But if you buy the gold package, you will earn 8% on the first level and 5% on the second level. Again, on the third level, you won't earn anything. But if you buy the platinum package, you will earn 12% on the first level, 8% on the second level, and 5% on the third level. That is why platinum is the best package, because up to the third level, you will continuously earn leadership cluster bonus. What if you are on the silver position and your first level is earning 1 million per month? You will earn a commission of 5%, so that's equivalent to $50,000. Your total earning is $50,000. Again, on your second level and on your third level, you won't earn anything. But if you buy the gold package, on your first level you will earn 8%, that's equivalent to $80,000. And on your second level, you will earn an additional of 5% or $50,000. So your total earnings will be $130,000. But again, on your third level, you won't earn anything. But if you buy the platinum package, on your first level, you will earn 12%, that's $120,000. On your second level, you will earn 8%, that's $80,000. And on your third level, you will earn 5%, and that's an additional of $50,000. So you will earn $250,000. That's the reason platinum is the best package, because you will continuously earn up to the third level on the leadership cluster bonus. As you can see, there's only people on your left. Only one leg is moving. There's no people on your right, but still, you earn $250,000. With iWon, you will really earn big bucks. Now let's talk about the uni-level bonus, or the earnings that you will get on the repeat orders of the people in your organization. If your position is silver, then you will earn 5% from your first up to the 8th level. If your position is gold, then you will earn 8% from your first level up to the 8th level. But if your position is platinum, then you will earn 12% from the first level up to the 8th level. As you can see, platinum is the best package because it has the greater percentage when it comes to the uni-level bonus. Now let's talk about the lifestyle reward points. If this is you, and this is your first, second, third, fourth, and fifth pair, your fifth pair becomes our safety net. With other companies, this is replaced by products. But with our company, this is replaced by 300 LRP or 300 lifestyle reward points. When you are on the silver package, on the first level that has fifth pair, you will earn an additional of 100 lifestyle reward points. But on the second and on the third, you won't get anything. But when you are on the gold pack, you will earn an additional of 100 LRP on the first level, an additional of 100 LRP on the second level. That's a total of 200 lifestyle reward point. But on the third level, you won't get anything. But when you are on the platinum position and your first level reach the fifth pair, you will earn an additional of 100 lifestyle reward points. And if your second level reach the fifth pair, you will also earn another 100 lifestyle reward points. And if your third level reach their fifth pair, you will also reach a 100 additional lifestyle reward points. So that's a total of 300 LRP or lifestyle reward points. Again, that's why Platinum is the best package because you will continuously have lifestyle reward points up to the third level. Accumulated points can be redeemed as follows. You can redeem it as a laptop, as a cell phone, as travel, or as a car loan, or a mortgage for your car. Now let's talk about the car incentive program. If you hit 100 pairs, the company will give you $2,000 as down payment for your car. If you hit 300 pairs, the company will give you $4,000 as down payment for your car. But if you reach 700 pairs, the company will give you $6,000 as down payment for your car. And the good news is, there's no time frame. So whatever happens, you will still get your dream car. Now let's talk about the power of 2. All you need to do is just sponsor 2 and everyone will do the same. As you can see on your first month, you sponsor 2 people and you earn $25 commission on pairing alone. We excluded the direct referral commission and leadership bonus on this computation. Imagine, this is just pairing or match sales bonus alone. On your second month, you will earn $50. As long as all these people are sponsoring 2 people every month, look at the potential of how much you will earn on your 12th month. On your 12th month, you will earn $51,200 merely sponsoring 2 and everyone is doing the same. If all people have joined with the silver pack, you will earn $102,375. But if all people are joining gold, you will earn $307,125. But if all people are joining the platinum pack, you will earn $716,625. As you can see, this is just the power of 2. So with iWon, don't hesitate to grab this opportunity. Join us now and contact the person who gave you this video.